Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Going to do some brush hogging today. Try and get these weeds knocked down. And thank you all of you guys that have subscribed. Really looking for like-minded people that like the horses and all the stuff that goes on the ranch. So yes, if you're a like-minded person, please subscribe. We'd love to hear from you guys. Anyhow, this is what we have happening today. Let me turn this around. Is this where we're putting our house? Over in this area where those cones are at. So the object is to mow this down. This is not too bad, just because we have it dried out quite a bit. But here's where it gets worse, in along the side of the mountain here. So we're gonna get all this mustard weed knocked down, and then we'll come back with a Gannon and clean up this whole area and get it looking nice. I also want to move that dirt, and it's a lot of sand I have over here that I want to put in the round pen for our horses when we're working them. Okay, so this is the brush hog we have here. So I'm going to put this camera down and start this up. And show you a little bit on the hydraulics. Let's get her started. Hopefully you can still hear me. So normally when you're doing flat ground, you can put a level on it and get it squared away because you're not going to change much. But we're working on the side of that mountain, we're going to be moving it. So to give you an idea, you can lift this up. You can tilt it. See how it tilts like that? And for the side of the mountain, that's going to be myself moving it back and forth. And then we can bring down the back end. Now, normally what you would do is you would put your level, to get an idea, if you were doing just flat. So it'll be something like that. I'll show you here. So you could do getting your level and getting it squared away. As you can see here, I'm not leveled, so I would just tilt it until I got the bubble level. I'm not going to be using that today because I'm going in by the side of the mountain, and what I have is a lot of gopher mounds. And so I'll take my bucket and I'll level those out and see what I can do. So I'm going to be moving it up and down constantly in this particular area. And you know what was funny? I was telling you guys about picking this up with rattlesnakes. Of course, I didn't have my camera with me, but I went over there and I picked this up, and it wasn't a Mojave green. It was a diamondback. It was about 2 feet long when I moved this brush hog out. So that took me back, but I had my little snake grabbers here, which is handy to have on your tractor. You can see this guy that helps me out. Anyhow, let's get to work. I'm gonna set this guy up And let's see if we can get this going on. And I might have to adjust it and whatnot. All right, let's try that, guys. See what we can get done.